Rock, paper, scissors is just a game of luck, right? Actually, not quite. There's one certain move you should almost always lead with, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one. But that's not all. We will also explore the hidden strategies hiding in rock, paper, scissors, and even different variations of the game that'll make you see rock, paper, scissors in a whole new light. So believe it or not, it's not too difficult to predict your opponent's moves, and you can use this to your advantage. Rock, paper, scissors may look random at first glance, but us humans can be surprisingly predictable. Your opponent may have habits like always choosing rock first, always choosing the same thing they won with, avoiding the thing they lost with, or other predictable habits. So if you're playing multiple rounds of rock, paper, scissors with one person, pick up these habits they tend to do and use it to your advantage. So now you know how you can predict your opponent. But what if I told you there's a way to not only just guess what they're going to do, but also control what they think you're going to do? We do this by taking advantage of mind games. Okay, that sounds silly, but hear me out. If you know how to use your mind in rock, paper, scissors, this can give you a big advantage. You can play mind games with your opponent to make them choose paper, so you can choose scissors and win. An example is this way to choose rock 2 times in a row. This will likely make the opponent think you're going to choose rock again. That then gives you the opportunity to trick them and choose scissors. So if rock, paper, scissors isn't just pure luck and strategy matters, you might think, what is the best move to start with? It actually turns out that paper is the strongest opening choice for one reason. The reason being is that rock is shown to be the most common move to play. For some reason, people just get naturally driven to rock compared to paper and scissors. But if something as simple as choosing paper can give you an advantage, what happens when the game suddenly has even more choices? Even more moves, more decisions, more strategy. That brings me to rock, paper, scissors, lizard spot, which is basically rock, paper, scissors, but crazier. Instead of 3 moves, there's 5. And every piece counts as 2 pieces instead of 1. Which means you got to remember which piece beats who, which can take a lot longer to learn compared to normal rock, paper, scissors. But I'll go over it quick for you. Scissors beats paper, paper beats rock, rock beats lizard, lizard beats Spock, Spock beats scissors, scissors beats lizard, lizard beats paper, paper beats Spock, Spock beats rock, rock beats scissors. So even though it looks different, it still follows the same system as normal rock, paper, scissors. But games that seem simple can hide a lot more than you think. And tic-tac-toe is a perfect example of that.